Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a project inside Gns3 for your penetration testing, bug bounty, connecting your Linux machine, Open vSwitch and the PCs. So you can use this option, new project. So you can click on new project, you can give a name, suppose untitled, yes, okay. Already exist, so I will give a new name, suppose Tiwary. Okay, then I will take net. Okay, Gns3 VM. Okay, so you can take the net option here, then you can take open VPN switch here. Okay, so let me take, where is that? Yes, here is this file. So this is the switch, and now you can connect them. So net will connect you with the internet. Okay, now your switch is also connected with internet. Now if you want to connect your virtual machine operating system, you can see in my case, I have a VirtualBox. Inside my VirtualBox I have installed so many operating system. So whatever operating system you want to integrate with your Gns3, you can integrate it. How you can do that? Simply go to Gns3 here, and in the edit you can see preference. Here you can see virtual VMs. So wait for VirtualBox VMs, click on, then click on new, then run this virtual VMs on my local computer. Next, VM list, wait for the VM list. You can see all the list here. Whatever you want to add to it, you can add it. Okay, suppose I'm going to use Ubuntu 8M clone to this one. So just click on finish, and you can see this Ubuntu 8M clone is here. I want to add new one, like, wait for the, I want to use Metasploitable. Okay, Metasploitable 2. Just click on finish, then click on apply. Okay, now if you want to add them here, you can add them here. Like, you can just drag it here. Okay, you can drag Metasploitable 2 here, and then you can add them ETS1 to this one. So it will showing some error, that error while creating attachment, bridge is already configured on this machine. Okay, so you need to configure it. Okay, so you need to configure it. Go to network, then here you can see here, allow Gns3 to use any configured VirtualBox adapter. Okay, so you can just tick this one, then apply. Okay, and now you can, and you can see it's connected. Similarly, you can go to this one and go to network, allow Gns3 to use any configured VirtualBox adapter, apply. Okay, then select this option, ETS2 to this option, and done. All your machines are ready. Now you can click on play button. Yes, you are sure, and all the port will be on, and all the machine will be started and connected with each other. And your net is connected with your internet. So using Open vSwitch, you are connected with internet, and now your Metasploitable and Ubuntu Linux will also be able to connect with internet. And in this way, you can use this lab for penetration testing, bug bounty, packet capturing, whatever you want. No, you can directly connect it with internet. You can directly connect it with Open vSwitch, Metasploitable tool, Ubuntu. You can connect Windows, you can connect Red Hat Linux, any operating system here which you have installed in the virtual machine. If you want to see the machine running or not, you can see the Metasploitable tool is running here. Okay, so you can see Metasploitable tool running here, MSF admin, MSF admin, and you are login here. So sudo ifconfig MSF admin, and you can see we are getting IP address here. Let's try to ping Google. So you can see it's pinging with google.com. Why is pinging with google.com? Because it is connected with internet. Okay, So it means it's connected with internet. You can press Ctrl C here. Similarly, you can check other operating system, that is Ubuntu. Let me check the password for this Ubuntu machine. Okay. So this is Ubuntu Linux. You have this Ubuntu Linux. Now you can open the browser and you can open any website here, like anything, suppose Facebook, and you can see internet is opening here. So you can go to Facebook, you can open any website. So internet is running in Ubuntu also. So you have seen that I have inside Gns3, I have those two machines, Metasploitable and Ubuntu, and in both internet is working because the NAT features and open vSwitch. I hope you understand how to set up internet between in the Gns3 with open vSwitch and other operating system. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends.